seen a decent amount of posts about the people wanting straight exhaust, 4 pipes in a row with no gap. Didn't make a video, but I can share some pictures of some of the things that I did. It's not perfect, it's not pretty, but at the end it worked. So I used some mini mufflers. They were like $20 a piece, real small. Cut the pumpkin out. I have a video on that, and that big bump on the trunk. Cut that thing out, and then welded on the mini mufflers. They were like $20 a piece, and then I got a C7 CORSA tips, found them used for like $200. Don't really have any drone, but I also put sound deadening mat on the resection of the Corvette. So I'm going to post the link to the tips and the mini mufflers, and I'm just going to put some pictures on here. If anybody watches it, cool. If it helped sometime, cool. If not, or have any questions, comment. I'll write back. Full fucking race car now. Just want to add in there just a couple of notes. I did have to relocate one of the brackets and drill a hole, a couple holes to hold up the tips to the center, so it would work like stock. I just used a stock bracket and like just cut like an L bracket. Works perfectly fine. That's all I got. And yeah, I don't bend tubing or pipe or anything like that, so I wasn't going to do that. So I just welded my stuff together. I used parts of my stock exhaust, chopped it up. Works fine. The only reason I put like gasket sealer stuff on there is just to see if there was a leak. If there was a leak, hopefully it plugs it, or I'll be able to see if it blows through.